What's up everyone? My name is Brittany and thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on these passion twists that I have been rocking pretty much almost all summer long, but I decided to bring them back because I'm tired of doing my hair. In this tutorial, you'll find that it is very, very easy. It's super simple, and trust me, you'll be done with this literally in just a few hours. And if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and of course, click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified on new videos that I post up. Enough me chit-chatting, let's get into this video. Okay, everyone, forgive me, I am looking a mess. But you know how it is when you're just about to get your hair done, okay? We don't always look our best, okay? I'm thinking it's probably gonna take me about 4 to 5 hours to braid down my hair and crochet it. So hopefully it shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna show you the hair that I'm using. I bought this from my local beauty supply store. This is by, who is this by? This is by Bobbi Boss. Again, I bought this from my local beauty supply store. I paid $16, $15.99, so $16. When I initially did my hair, I used a pack and a half. I have a pack and a half to do my hair today, and I'm hoping this will be enough because I do not want to go to the beauty supply store today. I got this in a 1B, and this is 18 inches long. It comes in 30 strands. I'm thinking that I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair first into sections after I count how many strands total that I have, so that I can match the strands with the amount of braids that I have, so I can ensure that I have enough. When I installed the hair lasted, I would say probably about 3 weeks. The longer it stayed in, the more gorgeous it turned out. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I've left it in for about a month. So it wasn't 3 weeks. I think it was a little over a month. What I'm going to be using today, of course, is got your combs, got a little brush, our handy dandy crochet needle, okay, some clips. I'm using, you know, 3. I don't really need that much. I bought this locking gel from my local beauty supply. This was $8, $7.99. Is the Jamaican Mango Lime Cool Scalp Braid Twist and Lock Gel. Using this, I really felt that it helped lock the twist down, and it helped with them staying in as long as they did. They weren't slipping at all, so that was really, really good. Some water. But yeah, let me just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna braid down my hair. We're gonna get this rocking and rolling because it is Sunday. I'm starting a new work week and I got another video to shoot, so let's get this going. Y'all pray for me, okay? So I'm pretty much done. I am gonna show you guys how I do my braid. It's really simple, but I just thought maybe I'd just check in and just show y'all real quick. So I go in with my locking gel here. This stuff right here stains your nail, but once when I wash my hands really, really good, the blue color comes out. So, you know, just be aware of that if you decide to get this. Wet my hair, some water, my gel here. So I don't even braid it all the way. You see here? And then I just kind of twist it all the way down here, and that is it. But here it is here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing this hair, and then I will check back and show you guys how I actually lock it. Okay. And so the moment you all have been waiting for, the technique to this madness, okay? As normal, you're just gonna go ahead and crochet this thing in. Those who are old school, you know this ain't nothing but a latch hook, okay? You're just going to pull that in. And now you're gonna open up that loop here, and you're gonna bring both your hair and the strand in as well. Losing my train of thought. And there you go. OMG! Stop! These kids is crazy. This is by far the most terrible tutorial I've ever done because I just got too many things going on. Anyway, we're gonna continue to persevere, okay? I'm braiding my hair just a little bit because I don't need that much hair braided down. So as you can see, I'm just twisting it in, and I got some more of my locking gel. Now, kind of study what I'm doing. So got the hair, my hair, I'm just wrapping it around. This hair, I'm twisting it and twisting my hair. See, twisting that hair, twisting that strand, twisting that strand. See, just twist it and then make your normal twist. Twist it all the way down. Now I'm gonna go in more with my locking gel, and there you go. So don't worry about that part right here because my hair is naturally straighter in the front, but it's going to blend in very, very well. Just stay with me now. Stay with me. Okay. All right. And there you go. Let's do it a couple more times so you guys can see a little better. Okay. There you go. Open that little loop. You're going to bring in your hair and the strand into that loop, okay? And then you're going to secure it just like so. See? Now I'm going to unbraid this because I don't need that much of my hair braided down. But watch what I'm about to do. Here's my locking gel. And here's this twist. See? I'm going to twist it. And then I'm going to twist my hair. Twist the strand. There you go. Twist the strand. There you go. And that's what you're going to do. Just keep going all the way down, because this is going to lock it. I guarantee you it's going to lock it. And it's so simple. No rubber bands. No, none of that. No pulling. No unnecessary pulling. And it just blends so nicely with your hair. Like, it really does. So what I really, really like about this hair is that it just blends perfectly. So now what I'm doing is I'm just opening that strand, okay? And then I'm just kind of tucking it in there, twisting it at the bottom, and then just trying to, you know, just kind of like locking the end, so to speak, so that it blends. And then that's it. Look at that. See? Look at that. Like, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. All right, I'm gonna do it for you guys one more time. Come on, you guys. Look at this. It's so pretty. All right, so I am going to finish up and I will show you guys the final look. I'm so excited. Tell me what you guys think. It is so cute. This hair is very, very light. It's not heavy at all. And I actually finished this hair in like 4 hours. So not 4.5, not 5, 4 hours. I will be doing this more often. This is going to be like my go-to. And I definitely finessed it way better than I did the first time around that I did my hair. So let me just kind of turn around so y'all can see. If I could do it, you can do it. All you gotta do is just put some time and some patience into it, and it's gonna come out so cute. Now, I did, you know, leave out some of my edges. I didn't go too crazy with them, only because I wasn't really interested in doing all that today. But you know, you can kind of see them a little bit. It's not tight, my hair is not pulling. I just absolutely love it. And again, here, let me stand up so you guys can see. It falls down to like my breast area. So yes, I definitely would recommend you guys getting this hair or getting some. I definitely recommend you guys getting this hair or getting something very similar to this. I haven't washed it when I first wore it, so I don't know what it'll do. But as far as tangling, so far it's doing, you know, it's doing its job. It's not too bad. And let me just tell you, this sun, it is hitting so right now. It's crazy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified on new videos that I post up, okay? Until the next time, I will catch y'all later. Bye.